river, and the river is me. I am the mountain, and the mountain is me. From the land of the long white cloud, where my ancestors still sing aloud. Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou mi ana ki au koutou nau mai. Hara mai te whānau. Here's the original song, ane hei wai te tito. It's the original song. This song is called Aotearoa, New Zealand. Hey, yeah. From heavens to the earth, it's where I mean to be. Born of two worlds, my story flows free. From mountains to the sea, forest and hills, this land that I stand is a part of me. From snow-capped peaks to ocean breath, a southerly wind whispers across my skin. As creatures speak in forest and fields, godly fame, New Zealand. And creation sounds every breath. I cherish life, born from death. From quiet suburbs to bustling streets, the sun and the moon lights my path. I see people passing, doing their own thing. Their footsteps echoes beneath the sky, while life's rhythm moves all around. I step in time with a heartbeat. I am the river, and the river is me. I am the mountain, and the mountain is me. From the land of the long white cloud, where my ancestors still sing aloud. I am a totted tree, rich with history, a voice of this land where the earth meets the sky. Heard of stories old and new, I sing of the land I know and love. Aotearoa, New Zealand. Aotearoa, New Zealand. Land of the long white cloud, where the people stand tall and proud. Aotearoa, New Zealand. Aotearoa, New Zealand, where the ocean meets the sky, and the land whispers my name. I hear ancient words upon this land, stories spoken upon the marae. A family tree through changing times, from the womb to the grave, a sacred line. I rise with the living to greet the sun. God's peace in my heart as I journey on, carrying light with every step. I sing of the land I know and love. I am the river, and the river is me. I am the mountain, and the mountain is me. From the land of the long white cloud, where my ancestors still sing aloud. I am a totted tree, rich with history, voice of this land where the earth meets the sky. Heard of stories old and new, as I sing of the land I know and love. Aotearoa, New Zealand. Aotearoa, New Zealand. Land of the long white cloud, where the people stand tall and proud. Aotearoa, New Zealand. Aotearoa, New Zealand, where the ocean meets the sky, and the land whispers my name. Aotearoa, New Zealand. Aotearoa, New Zealand, land of the long white cloud, where the people stand tall and proud. Aotearoa, New Zealand. Aotearoa, New Zealand, where the ocean meets the sky, the land whispers my name. Aotearoa, 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 Aotearoa. ki o koutou te whānau. Tēnei wai te Titohea te nōku. This is the original song called Aotearoa, New Zealand. And I remember writing this as we celebrate, this is the first month of September, Mahuru, and as we celebrate the different celebrations that we have here in Aotearoa, I want to write a song, a little pepia of my oneself, and as I celebrate Aotearoa, I hope you enjoyed this original song. I am the river, it's a beautiful song. I say it, I am the river and the river is me. Ko au te awa ko te awa ko au. No te whakatauki, no te atahunui a pāpārangi. And in Whanganui, you know when you hear that saying, it's from Whanganui. And I am the mountain and the mountain is me. And when I sit at Parihaka on the Tohu Kākahi, and I sit on his side and I look at the mountain, and I go, yeah, it's so beautiful. And so that's why I wanted to put that. I am the river, and the river is me. I am the mountain, and the mountain is me. From the land of the long white cloud, where my ancestors still singing loud. I am a toted tree, rich with history. Voice of this land where the earth meets the sky. Heard the stories of you. I sing of the land I know and love. Aotearoa, New Zealand. Aotearoa, New Tyranny. Land on the long white cloud, where the people stand tall and proud. Aotearoa, New Zealand. Aotearoa, New Tyranny, where the ocean meets the sky, and the land whispers my name. Aotearoa, 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 Aotearoa. No reira te whānau. I hope you enjoyed this wonderful original song. So no reira called Aotearoa, New Zealand. No reira e te iwi kia whakapāingia ki te tātou atua. Mihi ana ki aia. He taonga mā te hiningaro māku. No reira, ka huri au ki a koutou katoa e tēnei wā. Whānau, tēnā koutou, kia ora tātou katoa. Ka uri.